The Donkey and the Parrot Story. Once upon a time, a donkey and a parrot lived in a village. The donkey worked hard, carrying heavy loads every day. He often complained, "Why must I work so hard while others enjoy life?" The parrot, who lived in a cage, was always cheerful. He sang sweet songs and people admired him. One day, the donkey asked, "Why are you so happy when you're in a cage?" The parrot replied, "Happiness comes from within. I sing because I'm grateful for what I have." The donkey thought about this and decided to be happy with his life. From that day, he worked without complaints and felt more content. Moral of the story: happiness is a choice. Be grateful for what you have. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.